Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to open each folder in new window or the same window in Windows 10. Type folder options in Windows search bar. Click File Folder Options. Check Open each folder in its own window. Click Apply, OK. Type folder options in Windows search bar. Click File Folder Options. Check Open each folder in the same window. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.